Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited. Smartass and Sass just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Smartass and Sass just arrived for August. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Smartass and Sass, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So now you guys know, this is my Smartass and Sass box. No telling what is going to come out of this right there. There's your disclaimer. Let's go ahead and get in here. If you guys know, I love this box. Well-behaved women seldom make history. Classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. My all-time favorite. Drop it like it's hot, but not really. It's fragile. So let's get inside and see what the theme is. We get to see what's going to be in here. I'm serious. This was what I wait for all month, is for this box right about here. So when you open this up, that is what it looks like right there. This month's theme is Don't Kill My Vibe, with that gorgeous woman right there looking like she's having the time of her life. So bitch, don't kill her vibe. She's having a good time. Now, this month we have this card. It says down to earth, but still above you. Hell fucking yeah. Down to earth, but still above you. This will be hung in my office. They were smaller cards, like I would tell you guys, but now the last several months they've been putting them on these bigger cards, and I have like a little thing hung in my office that I just put these up. So I have all the little quotes hanging there. So that's where this one is going to go. Now, if you do not know, this particular box has 3 different subscriptions. They have the shirt only, the goods only, and then the big box, which comes with the goods and the shirt. So what I like to do is start off with the shirt. So if you get the shirt or the big box, that is the shirt you will get. So let's go with the shirt. Ooh, and I love this color. I don't think we've had this light of a blue to my recollection, but I've never had a repeat in the shirt, that's for sure. And I know somebody asked if I can do like a video of all the shirts that I've got from this box. So that might come in the near future. This is what this month looks like. It says, thou shall not try me. Hell yeah. Don't try me. Just leave me the fuck alone. You'll be all right. I like that. And it's like the queen. Thou shall not try me, bitches. That is super, super cute. I love that shirt. And then the shirts do go from extra small to 3XL, and they're all soft, blended, unisex tees. So there's the shirt for this month. Super, super cute. Oh, down inside of here, we'll go over the items. At this point in my life, catch one wrong vibe and I'm out. Yes. Subscribers. We blinked and it's month 8. Yeah, next month is going to be September. Like, I can't believe how fast this year has flown on by. How are we all keeping this shit straight? I don't know. This month's theme will have you being mindful of the shit you think about, trying to live more in the present, stopping the constant worrying, ending negative self-talk, and not letting anyone get in your way of your new vibes. Encourage yourself to want what's best for you. This is the good selfish. Use this month's products to glam up or veg out on the couch. No apologies warrant to anyone. August is all about knowing that everything is going to be a-okay without anyone getting in your way. And then this will go over the items and it will tell us the pricing. If you want a sneak peek to next month's theme, September's theme, work bitch. Next month's subscription is all about being a goal-getter. We're here to remind you to work, bitch. Put everything you got into things you love, whether it's a relationship, a hobby, family, friends, work, or all of the above. We're not shoulda, coulda, woulda. We're doing. So that's next month's theme. Work, bitch, you better work. Cover girl, work it, girl. Let's go with the items inside. And let's go with this big old thing here first. Is this like a block to hang up on the wall? Yes, that is a big, thick block. It's not like the little small ones that I normally see. It has a thing on the back to where you can hang it on a wall, or it's definitely thick enough if you want to just set it on a desk, a table, end table, whatever you would like. You have 2 different options with this. I like the colorful design and I like the saying, Who left the bag of idiots opened? And that is from Smartass Sass. This is valued for $10. That's not bad for how nice this looks and how big of a piece of wood this is. That's not bad at all. $10. It says, no, really, because I've been running into way more than usual lately. A cute and colorful decor sign to spice up a certain area or shelf. Hanging hook included. And this month you can use code VIBECHECK, VIBECHECK, for 20% off their shop. They do sell individual items and shirts individually on their site if you want to check that out instead of going to a subscription. Or if you missed some products or shirts from past boxes that you really want, you can purchase them directly from their shop. So this month you can use VIBECHECK for 20% off. I like that. And I like how big of a piece of wood that is. Like, I'm impressed. So now we have, it says, awesome citation. You've been pretty awesome lately. And there's a little thing here that I can't finish reading it. Let's see if I can remove that. You've been pretty awesome lately. Completely outdoing yourself and outshining everyone else. Nice work. So that is actually really neat for people that are doing good. You can give them this little awesome citation. You're making the rest of us look bad. And so there's all these different things you can check off. Brilliant likability, chronic punctuality, excessive good hair days, professional accomplishments, personal overachievements, organizational savvy, comic timing, spectacular uniqueness, style for days, brains for weeks. Ooh, I was thinking something else when I hear brains. But that is a nifty notes. It's awesome to be awesome. Issue this declaration of awesomeness to an awesome person to express feelings of amazement or admiration. It'll be awesome. So that's from Knock Knock. Let's see how much this one is. You can use Awesome20 for 20% off at knockknockstuff.com. This is valued for $6. And that's a really cool little notepad. And then you can just check it off and give them to whoever. Even if you do have an office, you can stick this in your office desk, or you can give these to your kids if they do something good. That would be a cute little thing. Like, you can do anything with them, or you can just use them as a notepad if you want. But that is really neat that you have that inside. Now we have, it says, my soul's too lit to give a shit. My soul's too lit to give a shit. And it would be a little cozy koozie for any type of a drink, beverage, a cold beverage. It doesn't have to be alcoholic, but any type of beverage you can put right inside of that. And this is by Smartass Sass. It is a $5 value, fitting any standard 12-ounce can. Bring this cooler with you to all the functions. Just be aware that I don't care. Design printed on both sides. So here is a drink koozie. Now we have stay real, stay loyal, or stay away from me. That's every day to live by. And this looks like it is a compact mirror. All right. This right here looks like it is trimmed in a rose gold color. On the back it says, don't kill my vibe, like into the back of it right there. This is a rose gold color and I'm not hip on rose gold, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and hold this for one of you guys. But it does have a double mirror on both sides. One of them, ooh, yes, and one of them is magnetized. So the top one, I'm seeing like my whole big old dome, and then the bottom one, I see my face. So it does have two different magnifications with the mirror, and then it's in this little compact little design, and it has Smartass Sass's logo right on the front of it. That is super, super cute. This right here, again, is by Smartass Sass. It's valued for $10. As I'm checking myself out, you can check yourself out of my personal bubble. Fuck yeah. Get out of my bubble. 2 interior mirrors, 1 regular, 1 magnified, and a badass saying on the rose gold exterior. Trying to kill this vibe? Nope, you ain't gonna. So that is really, really cute right there. You have the compact mirror, and we could always use a mirror. You could put it anywhere just in case you need to check something. You got something in your eye, check your teeth, whatever you would like to do. There's that. So now we have is a magnet. You are the champion of the motherfucking universe. Hell yeah. That is going right on my refrigerator with my other amazing magnets that I've received. That is so cool. This is by Near Modern Disaster, and you can use code VIBECHECK for 20% off at nearmoderndisaster.com. Only you decide your own destiny, and keep that reminder close when you're grabbing grub from the fridge. A 2x3 magnet that'll make you laugh. Again, that's valued for $5 and is a big full magnet on the back. That is super cute. I like the light little colors in the background, and of course I love the saying. So that is awesome. Now we have is a pair of socks. These are red and silver, yellow, white, and black, and it says 100% that bitch. Yep, I am. And it's actually printed on all sides. And then that is what the bottoms and the sides are going to look like. These are valued for $13. Cozy, comfortable, ribbed gym socks with the colored pattern of red, black, yellow, and metallic silver. 50% left foot, 50% right foot, 100% in your face, 100% that bitch. At first I'm like reading 50% right foot and left foot. Was this like the Twix commercial? They're gonna be different because they look the same. But they were leading up to the 100% that bitch. That was cute. So here is a pair of socks, and I love that color. I tend to wear red a lot because it's kind of like our colors at work. So I'll have a new pair of red socks to wear. Yay, that's awesome. Again, that's valued for $13. So now we have is, what is this? Bella Pierre Cosmetics I Slay. Ooh, natural eyeshadow set. Ooh, I've never seen this before, especially from this box. That's actually really, really neat. This right here, there's the back of it. It's a $45 value. You can go to bellapierre.com and use code VIBECHECK for 20% off their shop. Ooh, so let's get this guy opened and let's see what's all inside. Oh, okay. So it opens up like this, and there are 3 different colors and a actual brush. So is this all loose pigment, or it looks like they are all loose pigment, and if you follow me, you know I don't prefer loose pigment, just my own personal preference. So I don't want to open this packaging. I'm going to leave it just like it is, and this will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But that is super, super cool. Again, I just don't prefer them. It's just my own personal experience. I have tons of loose pigments and I just don't touch them. So I would hate to open this up just to let sit with my others. I'd rather this go to you guys. So this is a $45 value once again, and it comes with the 3 shadows and it comes with the brush. That is really, really neat. That is awesome though. And it looks like you can perform like those different looks with different sets. It says shade options. So again, this will go to one of you guys, but I'm super shocked to see that product in here. That's really neat. That's really neat. Oh, okay. So down here it says 1 champagne shimmer powder. No, I can barely fucking talk anyway. Includes 1 champagne shimmer powder, 1 beige shimmer powder, 1 lava shimmer powder, and 1 eyeshadow brush. All of the shimmers are 2 grams, 0.07 ounces, if you were wondering. And yeah, there's that. So then the last item down inside of here, it says, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. This looks like it's a clutch. So this is what it looks like when you remove it. Ooh, I love those colors. The dark blue with like that pale pinkish rosy-ish color. It says, don't kill my vibe. And it says, hashtag no time for negativity. That should be all of our hashtags. No time for negativity. And then it does have Smartass and Sass right here. When you open it up, it opens up to this full size. And then here's this little cool little tassel zipper. And then you open it up and it's all just an opening in there. There's not like a pocket or anything, so you can drop whatever you would like down inside, zip it up, and then you can clutch it, and you gotta work. But there is this clutch right here. Don't kill my vibe clutch. No time for negativity this way. Hold all your daily essentials, phone, wallet, keys in this everyday adorable clutch. It's made of vegan leather and has a tassel zipper, valued for $18, and this is definitely by Smartass Sass. And again, Vibe Check will give you 20% off their shop for this particular month. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. So grand total for everything with the goods and the shirt, the grand total retail value will be right here. Going over a quick recap, we have this really cute clutch. I love the colors. So you have that clutch, you have 100% that bitch pair of socks. You have a Smartass Sass mirror, a regular and a magnified. Inside, you have a 4-piece eyeshadow set by Bella Pierre, which that's awesome. There is this really cute magnet. You have a cute saying that you can set or hang. You have a cooler koozie. There is this little cool notepad. And then for this box, you have the shirt. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is everything that came in this August box. Always, I look forward to this box the most for my monthly boxes. I only have two top favorites. One of them is in a seasonal category, and then one of them is the monthly, which is this one. So my Smartass Sass is my favorite monthly subscription box. Hands down. I just love this box, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were in this August box? What do you think of the theme? Definitely let me know. If you want a little bit more information about Smartass Sass, I'll let you know right about now. Everything will be linked down below. You can go right to their website. That'll show you the subscription boxes and everything you can purchase directly from their shop individually. If you want to do the shirt only, that one is $15.95. Again, you get the soft blended unisex tee, sizes extra small to 3XL. You can do the box. The box is $34.95. That is all of the goods, no shirt. Just the goods, no shirt. That one again is $34.95. And then the big box, like they send me, you get all of the goods and the shirt. This one is $49.95. We love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass Sass curates boxes full of hilarious, hand-picked products made by artisans and small businesses and Smartass Sass themselves. And I absolutely love this box. It's my favorite one to unbox. You guys, I know, love this one too. So I just love this box. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. As I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.